The first step is to strip the electronic wire as shown in the video. The second step is to add tin to the electronic wire. Put the heat shrink tube into the electronic wire and solder it with tin. Please ensure that the operation is as shown in the video to ensure that the welding is firm and reliable. Step 4. Move the casing to the welding position and use a hot air gun to heat it evenly. Heat evenly with a heat gun. Make sure the sleeve wraps the electronic wire tightly and has no gaps. Please be careful to avoid blowing directly to the same location to prevent the casing from being burnt or damaged. The protective glue in the casing leaks out and the casing's at both ends are visible. At this point, the entire operation is completed. Sleeve wiring is suitable for outdoor environments, but it is not suitable for underwater, underground and waterlogged areas. In these special environments, wiring needs to be treated with waterproof glue.